Wi-Fi networks offer mobility, allowing users to work from anywhere with a signal. They're adaptable, with devices placed wherever needed without wires. The range is extensive, and scalability is simple, adding or removing devices effortlessly. Installation is easy, though IT oversight is crucial. Wi-Fi networks face performance challenges, especially with data-intensive tasks. Interference is common due to shared radio frequencies, and compatibility issues arise as technology evolves. Security is a concern, as unauthorized access can occur without physical connections. These factors can impact network reliability and efficiency. Different businesses have unique network needs. Some may benefit from an all-Wi-Fi setup, while others might not. Provision emphasizes that Wi-Fi networks shouldn't be seen as inferior. With the right approach, Wi-Fi can be as reliable as wired connections, supporting business operations effectively. AI-powered network automation is key to optimizing Wi-Fi networks. It detects and resolves issues in real time, often before users notice. This proactive approach reduces problems and improves performance, ensuring business continuity. Provision's solution, Healthy RF, offers faster resolutions and fewer issues, enhancing user experience and network reliability.